Keeping track of your health at home has never been easier with the Dr. Trust iCheck AFIB 119 digital blood pressure monitor. This advanced device helps detect atrial fibrillation, the most common abnormal heart rhythm, which can lead to an increased risk of stroke. In AFib mode, the device will take 2 measurements, one after the other in quick succession, to provide more accurate results. Simply press and hold the on-off button for 2 seconds until the ×2 icon appears in the display. The display will indicate which value is being recorded and will show your average results over the 2 readings at the end of the measurement process. AFib will be displayed for patients with this condition, and you are advised to consult your doctor if you see this symbol. You will also get an alert if the cuff is tied incorrectly or if there is movement while taking measurements. This reliable, fast and effective device boasts measurement during inflation technology and the option of recording 2 readings at once for accurate, pain-free measurements. With measurement during inflation technology, measurements are faster, more accurate and pain-free. Insert the connector cable into the air outlet on the device and open the Velcro cuff, sliding into position on your left arm. The cuff should sit around 2 to 3 centimeters from the bend of your elbow. Secure the cuff so that it lies comfortably and not too tight. There should be no space between the cuff and the arm. Sit comfortably with your feet firmly on the floor, back straight, and your left arm palm up on a level surface. Use a cushion if required to raise the forearm to the height of your heart. Choose your measurement mode, Standard or AFib. In Standard mode, press the on-off button and the cuff will begin to inflate. You'll see a heartbeat symbol showing your pulse and your diastolic and systolic blood pressure values when the measurement is complete, along with your heart rate. This device works with 4 AAA batteries and is also USB compatible. It works with standard Android smartphone cables, so there is absolutely no need for an adapter or to buy batteries every time. Stroke prevention made easy with Dr. Trust iCheck AFib blood pressure monitor. Get yours today.